This is going to be an example of what we're going to do for our AutoCAD tic-tac-toe. In your AutoCAD tic-tac-toe, you've been given three different options. Depending on which direction you've chosen, you've picked three images. And this obviously is not one of those images, but I'm going to use it as my example here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this actual image, and that's going to give me details and numbers. So this all the way across, from here all the way over to here, is 6 1/4, so 6.25. Yes, you're going to have to do decimals and convert them, but that's going to be my outside diameter. So let's say there's my center. Then I will go ahead, and this is going to be my diameter, and so my radius is going to be half of that, which is going to be 3.125. Again, you could do your circle with diameter or radius, and then I'm going to look at the difference between each of these. The difference between each of these is just about a ½ inch. Just about a ½ inch. So we're going to say this gap right here is 9/16. And we'll do that same 9/16 here and that same 9/16 here. And so I'm just going to offset this outer one. This outer one, my outer circle, I'm just going to offset it 9/16 in, 9/16 in, and then 9/16 again. So now I have my 4 circles. That should be no problem. Now for my star here, I'm going to make sure that my center, I measure the distance from the outside to the inside here, and this distance is 1 3/8. So from here to here is 1 3/8. And when I do this shape, I'm going to actually make a pentagon. Alright, so I'm going to make the pentagon. I'm going to make sure that it is 1 3/8 inches away from the center. This is going to be an inscribed circle, or inscribed. This will be an inscribed pentagon inside of a circle, this make-believe circle that's right here, when I draw it using the draw tool in AutoCAD. That way I can just connect this point to this point, this point to this point, just like you would draw a regular star, and then I'm just going to trim those pieces. And that will give me my definite lines that I would need in order to create this.